In August 2017, Hurricane Harvey unleashed a torrent of destruction upon Texas, causing unprecedented flooding in Houston and surrounding areas. The storm's relentless rains led to $125 billion in damages, one of the costliest natural disasters in U.S. history. Communities were left stranded, homes submerged, and infrastructure devastated under swollen bayous and rivers. Amidst the chaos, stories of heroism emerged as residents and first responders braved dangerous conditions to perform daring rescues. The necessity for robust climate adaptation measures and urban planning emerged as vital dialogues, as Harvey tested the resilience of ecosystems and human societies alike.